My System Pro, DDA blocks and RCBO ranges. Earth leakage current in the electrical system leads to electrical shocks, waste of energy, and fire accidents. Electric shocks would be experienced if a person comes in contact with a live part, directly or indirectly, for example through electrical appliances. DDA block is a residual current protection add-on which fits with a miniature circuit breaker, MCB, to ensure protection against leakage current in industrial and domestic applications. DDA has a test button to check periodically the healthiness and performance of the product. ABB manufactures two series of DDA blocks, DDA 200 and DDA 800, to be compatible with the different MCB ranges, S200 and S800. Once combined, they become RCBOs to give complete protection against earth leakage, overload and short-circuit faults. DDA 200 series is suitable to be coupled with the S200 MCB range. DDA 800 is suitable to be coupled with the S800 high-performance MCB range. The RCDs are classified according to the different waveforms of the leakage currents they're sensitive to. Different RCD types are available following their tripping times in order to ensure the best selectivity with other RCDs installed in the system. How a DDA block can be turned into a residual current circuit breaker with overcurrent protection, RCBO. DDA 200. DDA 200 series is available in 2, 3 and 4 pole versions with 3 different rated currents, 25 amp, 40 amp and 63 amp, and 5 different rated residual currents, 10 mA, 30 mA, 100 mA, 500 mA and 1 amp. IEC EN 61009 standard Annex G allows assembling a residual current circuit breaker with overcurrent protection, RCBO, by combining a DDA block with an appropriate MCB. Any subsequent attempt to separate them may leave permanent and visible damage. The red plastic clamp on the upper right side of the DDA block, in combination with a plastic key pin, allows for a quick and proper assembly of the DDA block with the MCB. The MCB must be fixed on the right side of the DDA 200 in order to allow the combination of auxiliary elements on the right side of the MCBs. The resulting RCBO has both the electrical characteristics of DDA block and MCB. The DDA 200 series offers space saving and allows for an easy and fast installation. There is a red plastic clamp and a black button in the right upper side of the DDA block, which protects from wrong coupling and allows for a quicker assembly. The DDA 200 and S200 MCB gets internally connected after coupling. The supply cables can be connected on the DDA 200 and the load side cable can be connected on the MCB. The installation is safe and coupling elements are not losable. The specification shaft, which allows the MCB to fix with the DDA, will only accommodate the MCB when the rated current of the DDA will be equal to or higher than the MCB. The same shaft will not allow fixing the MCB on a DDA when the rated current of the DDA is lower than the rated current of the MCB. These constructive characteristics of the DDA block allows for optimization of stock management. Protruded pins avoid coupling errors with upper rated current MCB, but allow assembly only with any equal or lower rated current MCB. Range flexibility. It is possible to achieve different breaking capacities for the RCBOs, 6 kA or 10 kA, just by selecting different MCB types, S200 or S200M. With few product codes, it is possible to set up a wide range of RCBO combinations. The DDA and MCB toggles switch together to the off position in case of leakage. Once the fault is cleared, first the DDA toggle and then the MCB toggle must be switched on. The MCB toggle only switches to the off position in the case of overload or short circuit. DDA 800. The DDA 800 series is available in 2, 3 and 4 pole versions with 3 different rated currents, 63 amp, 100 amp and 125 amp, 4 different rated residual currents, 30 mA, 100 mA, 500 mA and 1 amp, and 5 types, AC, A, APR, B and S. The MCB must be fixed on the left side of the DDA 800. DS 800. The DS 800 125 amp series are assembled directly at ABB's factory.